Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. On this one, we'll be getting started with AI-driven app development using the OpenAI Node.js SDK. The first thing that we will be doing over here is installing and configuring the OpenAI SDK in a Node.js project. So here, you need to first of all visit this website platform.openai.com, create your account, and once your account has been created, you'll be able to create a secret key like I've done over here. So here you can click on this create new secret key to generate your secret key, and once that is there, you can copy that and put it in your environment.local file. Now the next thing is getting the organization details. So here under organization general, you'll be able to get the organization ID as shown over here. And once that's done, you can go back to your API keys over here, and here in your code, you need to define these two environment variables. That's OpenAI organization, where you will provide the organization ID, and then we have the OpenAI API key that you have just now generated, and you can put it over here. Once you have these two things in place, the next thing is to include these in our API calls. So here I've created this image.js, which will be creating a 512 cross 512 image based on the prompt that we'll be providing. But here you'll notice that we have created this configuration object, and this configuration object is basically taking organization and API key from our env.local file. Along with this, we also need to ensure that we have our OpenAI installed. To install OpenAI, all we need to do is run the command npm install OpenAI. As you can see, we have already done that, OpenAI version 3.2.1. So here you can install that, and once that is there, we are all set by creating this OpenAI instance where we pass the configuration object. And here you can see that we are making use of the OpenAI create image method, which accepts prompt and then the number of images that it is supposed to generate and the size of the image. Once that's there, you're picking up the first response from the result set and getting the URL of it so that we can show it inside the image tag. So that's how we install OpenAI SDK and we configure it in our application.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.